So now, as a form of conclusion or recapitulation, sabihin nyo sa akin, inloloko mo naman kami no? Paano kami makakapag-invest? Ibig sabihin, kailangan may kapital. Ganun talaga sa lahat ng negosyo. Sa lahat ng business endeavors, dapat may kapital. Wala kang makikita, nahulog lang yung pera parang mana, no? Galing sa langit, no? At pinulot mo, at lalago. Hindi ganun. You should have a capital, no? That's the reason why I'm exposing that if you have a day job, do not leave that day job because that is your steady source of income. Doon ka kukuha para mag-invest, no? Siguro ang mahalaga doon habang nagde-day job ka, you indulge into side hustles, no? Panoodin nyo kasi itong contents ko dito sa My Investment Guide para magkaroon kayo ng mga options, no? On how to grow your wealth, how to protect your money, how to invest more. Hi, I'm Mats Golden. Welcome to My Investment Guide. Our kwentuhan in this episode is on making money work for you. It is something that is easily said than done, but in this episode, we will try to give life and meaning, no, in that adage, making money work for you. But before we proceed in that discussion, let me make my usual disclaimer. I am not a financial guru po. My perspective is on the side of an ordinary entrepreneur, an ordinary working class, an ordinary investor, an ordinary Juan de la Cruz just like you and me. So before indulging yourselves into any form of investment, make the due diligence of studying all the options, no? Or better yet, consult a financial advisor or a registered financial planner to guide you in your investment journey towards financial prosperity, no? For at the end of the day, it's your money, it's your gain, it's your loss, it's your responsibility po, no? That being out of the way, let me discuss making money work for you. Madali nga sabihin yan pero mahirap gawin, no? Pero isipin nyo ito. Una, kung nung nakaraang taon, noong 2020, no, meron kayong 100,000 pesos and you invested that to Atram money market fund, no? So basically, a money market investment is a low risk but also a low yielding type of investment, no? This is basically designed for short term and just to park your emergency fund, no? Pero ganun pa man, imbes na nilagay nyo sa bangko ang pera nyo. Like kung sinasabi, I have nothing against banks, no? I love banks, no? Part yan ng ating financial ecosystem, no? Pero kung inilagay nyo yung 100,000 nyo last year sa money market fund, to be exact, sa Atram money market fund, I have a video on Atram money market fund. I'll put the link below. Panoodin nyo rin po. Hindi naman kikita ng malaki, pero definitely, mas malaki ang yield niya kaysa nilagay nyo sa bangko na maaring kumita lang ng 0.25 hanggang 0.5%. No? Kung nilagay nyo 100,000 nyo, tumubo siya kumita siya ng 0.67% sa Atram Money Market Fund. Again, I am not from Atram, no? I'm just sharing this to you because I'm using Atram as my vehicle to park my emergency fund. So, kung 100,000 yung pera nyo, kumita kayo ng 670, no? Not bad. Kasi yung 100,000 mo nilagay mo sa bangko, hindi kikita yon ng 0.67%, no? And that was a bad year, no? Kasi may pandemic, kaya understandable, mababa siya. Pero kung titingnan nyo, ang money market fund o ang money market as a investment vehicle may earn capital appreciation up to 3 to 4%, no? Nagkataon lang na hindi magandang ating ekonomiya noong nakaraang taon because of the pandemic and we are still struggling. So mababa ang yield niya, nasa 0.67%. So sa 100,000 may 670 ka. Kaysa naman nilagay mo sa alkansya, kaysa naman nilagay mo sa bangko na hindi siya kikita ng ganoong kalaki, no? So that's one. Second, kung yung 100,000 mo, no, ay nilagay mo sa isang crowdfunding platform tulad ng SeedIn na maaring magbigay ng kita ng hanggang 15 to 20%. Yung 100,000 mo, no, sa SeedIn, no, sa loob ng isang taon ay maaring naging 15,000 kung 15% ang iyong interest, no? Again, I have a video on SeedIn. I'll put the link below. Panoodin nyo rin po para makita nyo ito bilang isang alternative form of investment, no? Isang crowdfunding platform wherein you can help small to medium enterprises, no, in their investments, no, by lending them, no, money, no. Delikado ba to? Again, panoodin niyo yung video ko at malalaman niyo na safe ang mag-invest sa SeedIn. So, yung 100,000 mo, kikita ng 15,000 hanggang 20,000, not bad. Hindi mo pupulutin yung 15 at hanggang 20,000, no, sa loob ng isang taon, no. Might as well invest it in a crowdfunding established and a credible crowdfunding platform like SeedIn. Kikita ka pa ng hanggang 20%, no? That's second. Third, kung nilagay mo ang iyong 100,000 last year sa isang copy trading platform tulad ng Etoro, again, may video po ako on Etoro. I'll put the link below. Panoodin nyo po. Na maaring magbigay sa inyo ng 20, conservative na ako, 20%, no, sa buong taon, yung 100,000 mo, no, ay maaring kumita ng 20,000 o 20,000 pesos. Granted na 20% lang ang kikitain mo, and if you are using Etoro, you know that it could be more, no? It could be more than 20%. Pero let's be conservative, no? Lagyan nyo sa 20%. So, naging 120,000 yung 100,000 mo. But then again, investing in the stock market is a highly risky investment, no? I'm not saying sure na pag nag-invest ka sa stock market, no, kasi ang Etoro ay nag-i-invest din sa stock market, no, just in case you'll be investing in Etoro and the person you are copying is investing in the stock market, tuman ay US stock, sa Hong Kong, sa Australia, o sa Canada, risky po ang mag-invest sa stock market, no. But then again, no, as the old adage says, high risk, high return. Low risk, low return. Tandaan nyo yan. So, granted, no, na pinanood ninyo ang aking video on Etoro at nakumbinsi kayo na sa pamamagitan ng copy trading, no, ay kikita kayo ng malaking porsyento, kikita nga kayo, no? Pero, hingang kulatilya doon, pwede rin kayong matalo, no? Kaya nga, before investing on anything, try to assess yourself, no? Ano ba yung inyong risk tolerance, no? Kung kayo ay nasa low risk, no, hanggang medium risk, no, huwag kayo sa stock market. Highly volatile ang stock market, no? Sumasayaw-sayaw yan, no? Kaya kung mahina ang loob nyo, huwag kayong mag-i-invest sa stock market o huwag kayong magti-trade sa stock market, no? Kung nung nakaraang taon ay meron kayong 100,000, no? At nag-invest kayo sa Pag-ibig MP2. Again, I have a video on that. Please try to watch. Kumita sana ang inyong pera ng more than 6%, no? So sa 100,000, 6,000 din yun, no? Again, kung babatayan niyo yung historical performance ng Pag-ibig MP2, hindi lang 6% na kinikita niyan. Hanggang 7 to 8% yan, no? So, meron kang, doon lang tayo sa konservatibo, 6,000 pesos, no? Again, hindi mo pupulot yung 6,000 kung saan, no? Meron ka ng siguradong 6,000 na kung hindi mo nga kukunin yung dividendong yon on a yearly basis, it would earn compounding interest in the span of 5 years, no? If you have watched my video nga on MP2, makikita nyo na, di ba? Hanggang 5 years ang maturity ng MP2, mag-earn ng compounding interest yung inyong pera, no? If you put that in Pag-ibig MP2. And what's the good news is, guaranteed yung inyong capital sa Pag-ibig MP2, no? Ang hindi lang guaranteed kasi nagba-vary ay yung kanyang dividendo o yung kanyang interest, no? Still, pagtalo ka pa rin doon, no? If last year you invested your 100,000 pesos in CIMB Bank, no? Na nagbibigay ng up to 4%, no? Interest rate. Ang pera nyo na 100,000 ay kita ng 4,000. Saan kayo makakakita ng ganun? No? Nanilagay mo lang yung pera mo, nagtrabaho para sa'yo. No? So, you might as well, instead of putting in traditional banks, no, put a larger amount in online banks like CIMB. Ang CIMB, although online bank siya, or digital bank, if you may call it that way, meron siyang physical bank na sa may BGC, no? This is a Malaysian bank, no? Again, may video ko on CIMB Bank. Panoorin nyo rin, I'll put the link below, no? So, that's money working for you. Ano pa? Kung may 100,000 kayo, but I am not encouraging you to invest in cryptocurrency, no? Pero, if you understand how cryptocurrencies work, you might want to invest a portion of your portfolio in cryptocurrency, particularly, no, in crypto.com. Sa crypto.com kasi hindi katulad ng local platform na Coins.PH, no? Ang Coins.PH kasi ay isang exchange platform eh. Naroon lang yung cryptocurrency mo, hoping you as an investor that your cryptocurrency would appreciate over the years, no? Pero dito sa crypto.com kasi, aside from your cryptocurrency having the possibility of appreciating its value, ang crypto.com nag-o-offer ng mga interest rates, no? Para sa iba't ibang klase ng cryptocurrency, including Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, wag na yung interest kung hindi kayo ganong interesado sa interest, no? Ay ako, interesado ako doon kasi nag-hoop ka doon sa capital appreciation. At the same time, pinarada mo doon yung crypto mo, pwedeng mag-earn pa ng interest plus the possibility of capital appreciation, no? Pagpalagay na, Bitcoin, last year, kung nag-invest kayo, ang Bitcoin ay nagkaroon ng growth over a span of 1 year, 900%, no? 900%. So yung 100,000 mo last year, ngayon 900,000 pesos na yun, no? Yung iyong Ethereum, no, ay nag-grow last year ng 1,300%. Yung iyong 100,000 magiging 1.3 million, no? Tama ba yung computation ko? Oh, magiging 1.3 million. Saan mo mapupulot yun, no? But again, investing in the stock market is a very risky investment, much more in investing in cryptocurrencies, no? If you do not understand cryptocurrency, please do not invest in this. Baka masiraan po kayo ng bayad dahil sa sobrang volatile siya, no? Talagang kung ang ating stock market ay sumasayaw, ang cryptocurrencies po ay nag-i-strut, no? Kung kayo pinanganak ng 80s, no, makikita niyo yung, di ba, pag nag-i-strut, no? Highly unpredictable. Pero, no, historical figures would tell you that it is, no, a viable investment vehicle, no? Again, hindi ko po kayo iniinganyo o hindi nyo naiintindihan ang cryptocurrencies, no? So now, as a form of conclusion or recapitulation, sabihin nyo sa akin, inloloko mo naman kami no? Paano kami makakapag-invest? Ibig sabihin, kailangan may kapital. Ganun talaga sa lahat ng negosyo. Sa lahat ng business endeavors, dapat may kapital. Wala kang makikitang, nahulog lang yung pera parang mana, no? Galing sa langit, no? At pinulot mo, at lalago. Hindi ganun. You should have a capital, no? That's the reason why I'm exposing that if you have a day job, do not leave that day job because that is your steady source of income. Doon ka kukuha para mag-invest, no? Siguro ang mahalaga doon habang nagde-day job ka, you indulge into side hustles, no? Panoodin nyo kasi itong contents ko dito sa My Investment Guide para magkaroon kayo ng mga options, no? On how to grow your wealth, how to protect your money, how to invest more, no? Kaya nga yun yung aking mantra. Grow your wealth, protect it, and invest more, no? So imbes na kung may day job ka nga, keep it, be good at it, no? Then indulge into side hustles, no? And spend, no? Prudently. Imbes na bumili nga kayo ng Starbucks araw-araw na nagkakalaga ng 165, kung katulad ko kayo dati na umiinom ng hot macchiato, no, grande na 165, nakatipid kayo ng 165 pesos. Kung multiply mo yun sa isang linggo, malaki yun. Teka lang, ating i-multiply nga, 165 times 7, 1,155 yun, times 4, isang buwan, may 4,620 na kayo. Ilagay nyo na yan sa Pag-ibig MP2. Diba? Na kung saan ang inyong kapital ay preserved, no? Instead ng bumibili kayo ng iPhone, no? Kada may lumalabas na iPhone, alam nyo, hindi titigil ang iPhone sa paglalabas kasi business yan, no? Hahabol kayo ng hahabol, no? May iPhone naman kayo gumagana, may ibang cellphone naman kayo na gumagana. Please, no? Delay your gratification. Kung may kotse naman kayo na umaandar pa at hindi naman pahirap sa maintenance, huwag na kayong bumili, no? Hintayin ninyo, no? Gamitin niyo yung inyong funds ngayon, yung inyong pondo, yung pera nyo na dikit to invest and to invest more, no? I hope this content helps you. Again, if you find my videos or my contents just right for you, please like, share, and hit that notification bell so that you will be notified of all my contents, no? Samahan nyo ako dito sa journey towards financial prosperity, no? Again, I'm Nats Golia and this is my investment guide. Grow your wealth, protect it, and invest more. Dankeschön.